What are you doing right now?
I am studying English grammar.
Why is she crying?
She is crying because she lost her toy.
Where are they going?
They are going to the park.
Who is talking on the phone?
My brother is talking on the phone.
What is the teacher explaining?
The teacher is explaining the new lesson.
Why are you running?
I'm running to catch the bus.
What are the kids playing outside?
The kids are playing football outside.
Who is sitting next to you?
My friend is sitting next to me.
What is he writing on the board?
He is writing some new words on the board.
Why is it raining so heavily?
It is raining heavily because of the storm.
What are you watching on TV?
I am watching a comedy show on TV.
Who is cooking dinner tonight?
My mother is cooking dinner tonight.
Why are they shouting so loudly?
They are shouting because they are excited.
What are you reading these days?
I am reading an English novel these days.
Where is your sister working now?
She is working in a private school now.
What is your cat doing on the sofa?
My cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Who is knocking at the door?
Someone is knocking at the door.
Why is he wearing a jacket?
He is wearing a jacket because it's cold.
What are they learning in class?
They are learning the present continuous tense.
Who is driving the car today?
My father is driving the car today.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to soft music.
Why is she laughing?
She is laughing at a funny joke.
Who is coming to your house?
My uncle is coming to my house.
What is your brother doing in his room?
He is playing games in his room.
Why are you cleaning the room?
I am cleaning it because guests are coming.
What is your teacher writing?
My teacher is writing notes on the board.
Who is helping you with homework?
My cousin is helping me with homework.
What are you eating for lunch?
I am eating rice and chicken for lunch.
Why are they studying so late?
They are studying late for their exam.
Who is waiting at the gate?
The driver is waiting at the gate.
What are you searching for?
I am searching for my glasses.
Why is the baby crying?
The baby is crying because she is hungry.
Who is fixing the computer?
The technician is fixing the computer.
What are you buying from the market?
I am buying fruits from the market.
Why is the dog barking?
The dog is barking at a stranger.
What are the children drawing?
The children are drawing animals.
Who is standing outside?
My friend is standing outside.
What are you wearing today?
I am wearing a blue shirt today.
Why are they laughing?
They are laughing because of a funny story.
Who is sleeping on the bed?
My little brother is sleeping on the bed.
What is the boy doing with his phone?
He is watching videos on his phone.
Why are you sitting alone?
I am sitting alone to relax.
Who is repairing the car?
The mechanic is repairing the car.
What are they talking about?
They are talking about their new project.
Why are you walking slowly?
I am walking slowly because I'm tired.
Who is painting the wall?
My father is painting the wall.
What are you cooking in the kitchen?
I am cooking pasta in the kitchen.
Why is the teacher calling your name?
The teacher is calling my name for attendance.
Who is opening the window?
My sister is opening the window.
What are you writing in your notebook?
I'm writing some new words in my notebook.
Why are they dancing?
They are dancing at the birthday party.
Who is coming with you to the party?
My cousin is coming with me to the party.
What are you drinking now?
I am drinking a glass of milk now.
Why are you talking so loudly?
I am talking loudly because the music is loud.
Who is using your laptop?
My friend is using my laptop.
What are the students doing in class?
The students are reading their books.
Why is she smiling?
She is smiling because she passed the test.
Who is calling you?
My aunt is calling me.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am visiting my relatives this weekend.
Why are they watching the news?
They are watching the news to know the weather.
Who is helping in the kitchen?
My brother is helping in the kitchen.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a beautiful house.
Why is it getting dark?
It is getting dark because the sun is setting.
Who is learning English online?
I am learning English online.
What are you preparing for dinner?
I am preparing soup and salad for dinner.
Why is your friend calling you?
He is calling me to ask about homework.
Who is washing the car outside?
The driver is washing the car outside.
What are they building near your house?
They are building a new shop near my house.
Why are you laughing alone?
I am laughing at a funny video.
Who is teaching the class today?
Our English teacher is teaching the class today.
What are you doing tomorrow morning?
I'm going for a walk tomorrow morning.
Why are they sitting quietly?
They are sitting quietly to listen to the teacher.
Who is watering the plants?
My father is watering the plants.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
Why is he working late?
He is working late to finish his project.
Who is reading the newspaper?
My grandfather is reading the newspaper.
What are you learning today?
I am learning the present continuous tense.
Why is she wearing sunglasses?
She is wearing sunglasses because it's sunny.
Who is singing a song?
My sister is singing a song.
What are they celebrating?
They are celebrating their success.
Why is your phone ringing?
Someone is calling me right now.
Who is dancing on the stage?
The students are dancing on the stage.
What are you planning for the holidays?
I am planning to visit the mountains.
Why are they studying together?
They are studying together for the exam.
Who is holding the umbrella?
My friend is holding the umbrella.
What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about my future plans.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I'm happy.
Who is cleaning the floor?
The maid is cleaning the floor.
What are you writing in your diary?
I am writing about my day in my diary.
Why is your friend crying?
She is crying because she missed the bus.